Welcome student. In previous lecture we completed this lesson uh, the odd one in. So this story was written by Tithi Tavora and convey a good message through this story. So student, uh, you have to write down this workshop given below this lesson. Here are the pictures of Malati and Rima. Look at the faces of the picture. That Malati look like very happy, and the nature of Rima is envy, envy nature. So we have to describe these two personalities with the help of the points given below. First, appearance. Look the appearance and face appearance, that Malati look like a very happy child, while Rima does not look like a happy, but she has a concentrations on the Malati and envy Malati. So the appearance of a Malati is a better than the Rima. The studies the studies uh, the studies uh, the studies are Malati is a better because she gives reply to her teacher and answer every questions that teacher asked in the class, while Rima also try hard to give answer to the teacher, and she also brilliant student. And next point is singing. Both are very well in the singing. They have knowledge about singing and come first in their own categories. Attitude to others. Malati had a helping nature because all the other students beg help of Malati, and she also give happily to the others friends in the classes. Uh, the attitude of the Rima had its her own group, and that group always remain making a taunt towards the Malati and her physics. Weak point. The weak point of the Malati is her physique. She had not a so good looking or a smart looking guy, and her vocal language is a vernacular, so the sound is totally different from the class. She said, "Good morning, teacher." The Rima are a very smart girl, and she has her its own gang, and this gang always indulge in making a taunt her the appearance of the Malati. Next question is the use the detail from the story and your own imaginations when you write the above description. So you have to children, you have to make your own imagination through this point and make another story. Imagine you are Malati. Write about any one event in the story from the Malati's point of view. So whole story is written through the Rima's point of view. So we have to change this story according to the Malati's point of view. So here we have to write down the bad bad physique and by a bad face of self, and write down the experience in the class of this Rima and her gang. from the Malati's point of view. So student, try to write down this story from the Malati's point of view. Here are the columns through which in which we have to write down the behavior through the given points. The ask for other help, refuse help, judge others by appearance, judge others by their assent. Students, you have to write down or complete this column or table through with the help of these points. Talks about your strength, your weakness, the changes that you would like to see in yourself. 3 each one of them. Okay, so you have to write down where in your homework these questions with the help of these A, B and C points. The list of the adverb that end with ly from this passage. Question number 8, that is the types of noun. Here we have a types of a noun, that is the proper noun and common noun. Common nouns are girl, boy, town, river, table, etc. While proper nouns are Sangeeta, Rahul, London, Nashik, Sahyadri. So these are the proper noun. So you have to write down a 5 common noun and 5 proper noun from these lessons or on your own. The last is the so student, we have completed this lesson totally with the workshop also. We looking through the workshop also. In time of a silver rain. So here is a new poem. So let us sing this poem. In the time of a silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. So here rhyming words, rain again, green grasses grows, and the flowers lift their head, and over all the plain the wonder spread of life, of life, of life. So this is the silver rain. This is the silver rain shown in this picture. Okay. So let us read next stanza. In the time of silver rain, the butterfly lift a silking wing to catch the rainbow cry, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. As down the roadways passing boys and girls go singing too, in a time of a silver rain, when a spring and a life are new. Langston Hughes. The poet's name is the Langston Hughes. This is the poem about the joy. This is the poem about the rainy seasons through in which the flowers are grow. So student, we will stop because this poem takes more time. So we will stop here and having the discussions about this poem into the next lecture. So we can go through the meaning, whole meaning of this poem, because this poem is a very beautiful poem. So now we stop here.